In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style your email in Mailchimp. If you want your email campaigns to look professional, match your brand, and capture your audience's attention, then learning how to properly design your emails is incredibly important. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of creating, customizing, and styling an email inside Mailchimp, so you can build campaigns that not only look great, but also communicate your message clearly and effectively. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to Mailchimp's website. Once you arrive, sign into your account. If you're setting up Mailchimp for the first time, you can create an account and complete the initial setup before continuing. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is where all your campaigns and marketing tools are managed. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Campaigns. This section serves as the main workspace for creating and managing your email content. Once the page opens, click on Create, then select Email from the available options. After that, choose Create Email to begin building your campaign. Mailchimp will now present several layout options. Select the basic layout to start with a clean and flexible foundation. This template works well for most types of email campaigns and gives you plenty of control over the overall design and structure. Next, browse through Mailchimp's available templates. You can either select one of the built-in designs or upload your own custom HTML if you prefer advanced customization. For this tutorial, choose a Mailchimp template that fits the style and purpose of your message. Once you find one you like, click Apply to begin editing it. You'll now see the email editor along with a panel on the left side of the screen. This panel is where you'll manage your content blocks, customize colors, adjust fonts, and organize your layout. You can also switch between desktop and mobile previews to make sure your email looks polished across different devices. As you style your email, focus on keeping the layout clean and easy to read. Use fonts and colors that align with your branding, and make sure your images support the message you're trying to communicate. A balanced design with clear spacing usually creates a much better reading experience for subscribers. Once your design is complete, click Save and Exit in the upper right corner. You'll then be asked to name your template. Choose a clear and memorable name so you can easily locate it later for future campaigns. After that, select your audience, enter your sender name and email address, and create a compelling subject line that encourages people to open the email. Finally, review everything carefully, choose your preferred send time, and click Send when you're ready. Let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.